Women, married women, if you catch your husband, right, with another lady in a bar, you get me, in a restaurant, man, please, I want to tell you what to do. Please, I want to tell you what you have to do, man, right? Yes, of course. Just butochege, carry your chair, come now. Listen very well. And ensure you are sharing this video. You get me? I want the whole married women in Nigeria and across Nigeria, right, to hear this and learn from me. You get me? Suppose you are a married woman, right? And you went to this, particular restaurant, man, to eat food, and there you found your husband sitting with another lady, right? And they are eating, catching cruise, man. See, what you have to do, just go there, sit down with them. I want to tell you what to do, because most of you guys will now start vexing for nothing, right? Some would start, fighting the lady. No, you are not supposed to fight the lady. You don't know this lady. You don't know if this lady is your husband's business partner. You don't even know if that lady is your husband's boss. Don't you know? Now, relax. Let me teach you and let me tell you what to do, okay? As you see them, don't be surprised of anything. Don't even, try to imagine they are knacking, right? After all, they are not knacking. They are just there eating food, right? Catching cruise, men, having some communes. You get me? Just go there, have your seat. Greet them very well. Greet them gently. I said you have to what? Make the lady know that this person is your husband, okay? But there is no hard feelings, right? Why letting her to know? Please keep on smiling. Just make sure say you dey smile. Make sure you no feel bad, right? Yes. Sit down, greet them very well. Nnedalo, Nnamdalo, my handsome husband, how are you? Anyway, I'm so hungry, man. I came to eat food and I found you here discussing with your business partner. Okay, that's nice, right? Even if the person not be your husband's business partner, just assume. You get me? And once you say this, that lady will have, a relaxed mind. Then sit there, order for that thing where you never order before in your life. Just order for that chicken where you never chow. Order for that turkey, for that mpaloso, for that anything where say you never order. Just make sure say you they order that thing. You get me? Yes. And again, if your brother now, that needs you to pay his school fees, man, just tell your husband, please, my brother has to pay, the school fees. Let him send the money to your brother. Your husband go do them sharply. You get me? Yes. If you know, say your parents, your mama, your papa needs, some funds for what? Medics, right? Just tell your husband that that they need money to go to the hospital. Your husband will do it pronto. You get me? Yes. Because one, your husband would want to do everything possible so that you will just eat and leave that space. You get me? Your husband wants to stay alone with that lady, that stranger, man. He doesn't need you around. So that thing, anything what you tell him to do, that your husband must do it. You get me? All things being equal, man. It was equal, yes. If your husband's intention is to knock that woman, your husband will do everything doable for you that moment. You get me? Yes. Maybe when next he comes to the house, okay, you guys may now start talking, right? Yes, okay, or arguing. But ensure that you take that in takeable. Okay? You ensure that you demand that thing demandable. You get me? That thing that your husband is not doing for you. Make sure say you demand that in that day. Your husband must do transfer. You get me? Yes, because the purpose of doing that, or the purpose in which he should do that, is for you to just take that and leave that space for him to get a relaxed mind. Because once you're there around, your husband can never have a relaxed mind. What do you think, guys? I'm say I don't give you a better mind. I be just guy do no go, because some people will just see their husbands right with another women and they will start fighting those women. It doesn't make sense. Stop it. If you're doing so, don't do it. Right? Just go there and be friendly. Even if your husband attack that woman, just pretend. Say, now what for you? Yeah? Now what for you? Just pretend. Go there. Greet them very well. Show a very good, friendly energy, man. Yes. That way, that lady will get relaxed, right? Yes, and your husband will also be relaxed. Though, he may be tensed in a way. You get me? Just say what you need. Name your price, man, and your husband will pay. And you go your way. What is there? See, no just go begin the drag what you no go feel drag. Something that at a point now you go still lose. Your husband may still marry that person where you see as stranger before. You understand me? And your kids will just suffer it. So women, I want you guys to learn from me. I'll be here teaching you guys things to do, right? And things not to do, man. The do's and don'ts, right? In relationship, especially marriage relationship. I rest my case.